Today we are going to start with another chapter, that is human capital management. It is a part of ERP. So we will learn today how to create position, a vacancy for new position. For example, अगर हम चाह रहे हैं कि हम सिक्योरिटी जैसे डिपार्टमेंट है उसके अंदर हम सिक्योरिटी गार्ड को हायर करना चाह रहे हैं, हायरिंग से पहले हम उसको उस पोजीशन को क्रिएट करते हैं. टू क्रिएट दैट पोजीशन वी विल गो टू क्रिएट पोजीशन. Then this window will come, this screen will come in front of you. Change this preview date and time. Select 1st March, 1st of last month, and preview time to 1 year. Then execute it. Then go to organizational unit, then search term, search here security. Then find it out. You will see hit list on your left side, left bottom. Select any of the security option. Under this we already have the position. So what to do now? We check another one. We already have this. So we will look for a new position. For example, looking for 133 under security. So we just have this organizational unit. What we do now, we have option to create a new position. We will go to create new position. Then we will select incorporates. Now you can see we have new options, new position for which position you want to create. So we want security guard. And short form for SG. If you see this valid from and to, if it is not selected, then click here. You will see this option. Then check mark on head of own organizational unit. If you see you don't have this code and ID part or chief, then you can go here. Then you will select any option from this list, code, ID, whatsoever you want. So I already have selected ID, code and chief and workflow, so continue with it. Then you save it. The data has been saved. This means security guard under organizational unit 133 security, you have created new position. If you want to create another position, you have to refresh data. Then these places will be removed, or you can save another one, whatever you want. So you can create as many as you can, and then you save it. So you will see the security guard or security manager. We have anything, you will see under this organizational unit. So if next time you want to search it, you go here and you will place 133 security. For example, here 133 security. Now find. Already have here, so no need to search or come again. So this is how you can create security option. For example, here find. So this is here, this is 133 security guard. So already we have this option. So as many as you can practice it by this. Thank you.